That'll bring up the Ford Focus next on the right-hand side. And the MOPAR pickup truck will come up left side. Dylan Derby in the 2011 MOPAR. It's an 11-second MOPAR pickup truck. He'll stage up with Shiloh Waddell. Waddell in the 2017 Ford Focus will stage up right side. Shout out to Circle D Specialties, one half of the True Street sponsors. They provide torque converters that provide maximum performance for both early and late model applications. You can talk to them about their new Ford HP and GM Pro Series converter and contact their team specialist to find out how to build the best converter for your application. They are all custom designed and built for transmissions, power levels, weight, and car applications. $11.51 at 116 for Derby. Jason Epstein goes 11-12 at 126 in the Mustang. Ryan Walton going 13-40 at 100 miles an hour in the Ram pickup truck. We'll have a pair of pickup trucks come up next. 2012 model Ram on the left side, 2021 F250 Ford over on the right side. The Dodge getting their first 1350 at 100, 1416 at 101 for Justin May in the F250. 1575 at 67 miles an hour for Jack Middlebrook in the Mustang. That will bring up the Dodge pickup truck next. This is Ryan Walton. Walton with a little bit of tire spin from the 2012 Ram pickup truck.